Andhra Pradesh is leading. For the last 1 year, we are able to attract 10 lakh crores investment MOUs. In that, 5 lakh crores already grounded. Now we are going to have CAI partnership summit in October. Things are very positive. We are moving in that direction.
So the 30 lakh crore mark that you mentioned in the next couple of years, what other sectors are you looking at attracting, and global players you expecting to come to Andhra Pradesh?
One is infrastructure. One is we are green energy. Green energy alone, we are going to attract 10 crores investment, 10 lakh crores investment. Remaining 20 lakh crores, different sectors, especially service sector and manufacturing and agro-processing and infrastructure.
So any global players like Tesla, etc. are looking at?
No, let us see.
He's got people waiting.
No, let us see. We are working with everybody. We cannot say trade
So EV
secrets.
space, Tesla or no? Or in EV space, Tesla or any other company show an interest?
No,
to
no,
come to Andhra
let
Pradesh?
us see. We are working with everybody. I will tell you appropriate
About the
time.
green energy, sir, is there any discussion on the previous PPAs with the central government to comply with that PPA?
No, all PPAs are revived. They bungled earlier. Because of that, state has paid heavy price for that. Now all those things are over. We are moving in that direction. Large investments are coming.
So in how many years we are expecting 30 lakh crores?
5 years?
5 years.
5 years we are working. 10 lakh crores already we got it. Another 20 lakh crores.
As you rightly mentioned that we've made significant efforts in deregulation of telecom sector. As per your opinion, which are those sectors that you need to be to have better?
No, what I am saying, that was the first time infrastructure was totally from control to liberalized. You know how I fought about greenfield airports, open sky policy, power sector projects, even ports, even telecom. So many sectors have been opened one by one. Today, different models, Government of India is also working. PPP model, viability gap fund, HAM models, either roads, irrigation, and also you name anything, even tourism. All projects are available.
So you met with Finance Minister, sir. Is there any discussion on the GST part, sir, and compensation, sir?
No, all those things, in a way we are discussing, our ministers are discussing. I am discussing mainly policies, what they are doing, how to take advantage, how to move forward, how to compete global economy.
So you met
So
with the
when
finance
we talk
minister
about-
today. So any significant, any important
In
plan?
general, so many things we discussed regarding state and also new policies, everything.
So when we talk about attracting global players, Satcom is an emerging space. Starlink and Amazon Kuiper are looking at India. Andhra
No, we
Pradesh
have
to play any role there?
already we started Space City. Space policy also have given. We are having one advantage, Sriharikota. We are only the state as is having launching pad. That advantage is there. Now, Government of India has started satellites in private sector. So that is the future. Even cost
Very
effectiveness, so many
ongoing
things are
debate over the
better.
language as well, the imposition of Hindi. How do you see it, sir? A few months back, we have also seen
what I'm
the
saying-
same with Marathi and
No,
Telugu system.
what I am saying, now Indians are no longer confined to India alone. I am always saying, think globally, act globally. Distance is not the constraint. In that scenario, you have to learn many more languages, not only Hindi. You have to learn local languages, either Germany or Japanese or Chinese or some other languages. Then you will have better prospects. Always you have to talk local language. Then you will have better association and also identity.